Kyle Setzer with Fleet Hustler. Let's do an unboxing of Geotab's new Go Focus Plus dash camera. All right, so let's rip this baby open here. So you're gonna be welcomed with the beautiful Geotab Go Focus Plus. You're gonna see it's a dual camera, 1080p. Let's get that out of here. And this little see here. You're gonna see an IOX harness. So super simple install. It's gonna go to the top of the camera here and onto the side of that Go 9, right? So again, plug and play, super easy install. There's your harness. You're gonna have your tamper cover, 3M mounting tape, Allen wrench, and alcohol wipe. Alcohol wipe, gotta wipe that windshield good or your camera's gonna fall off. So make sure you do that. Let's talk about the camera, the brains, everything here. So like I mentioned, dual 1080p, does have a road facing only version. You get 1 year of event cloud storage, 3-year warranty. Event button here, you're gonna have a in-cabin speaker for those in-cabin driver alerts. With the AI and the DMS and ADAS. So on the DMS side, you're gonna get driver smoking, yawning, seat belt, distracted, everything there that you'll see. On the ADAS side, you're gonna see lane departure, forward collision warning, harsh braking, acceleration, rolling stops, really cool features, super powerful. If you're interested in learning more about it, give us a call or email us at sales@fleethoster.com.